Hey guys, we're going to do the install on the cluster. About the T5, the small ones. It took a while to find them, but I did find them. It's only maybe one or two companies that sell them. Got the white ones because my gauge cluster is really dim in these cars, factory. So we're going to install them, and let's see how it goes. I also want to try to get one down here in my shifter light, so I don't know how that is going to work out. So I might take you guys along and see how this install is going to go for these lights. They look online to see how to get all this apart. So I'm going to do all this in the car while it's kind of raining and misty out, but maybe we'll get it done. I might try to adjust you guys a little bit over more, so bear with me. That might be a hair bit better. So you're gonna need a flat head, maybe a Phillips head, and I've got another small Phillips head. So I think the first thing to do is please take these out again. The video may be a little boring, so bear with me. I did look online, like I said, on how to place these. It's a guy on Instagram. I'll follow. So let's get this done. Get to pull these down here. Get my last video done. Get this cable down on the antenna adapter install. I've had this out once, so like I said, so 2 clips in here. Just pop them out. One and one more. It's kind of a pain to get to. Sorry about the noise. Yes, that's one for the flasher and one for the rear defog. Figure out how to get this out. It's a little struggle. It's just a little struggle. Get it though, we'll get it. See, that's where it comes in handy. Just set that on the floor. Put these here. There's gonna be a screw here. 2 screws here. I was told you have to take this blinker module out, but we'll see if it needs to be taken out or not. A lot of people say these pieces here are always broken off, but seems fine to me. So the past 2 weeks I've just been at work for the past 12 hours a day, so we don't get much really to make a lot of videos, so enjoy them while you can. Hit me up on Instagram on NateSkate74. I'll have a few videos there. I don't know how this is. It may come out easy. It may come out easy. Let's see how it does. It's supposed to be a couple clips behind here. I didn't mean to do that. I have to use a screwdriver. A little bit. Let me see. All right, well, almost got it. Getting there. Gotta take this bottom piece off. Doing some research. And you gotta take this bottom piece off just to get to the thing. Yeah, you gotta take this piece off. Alright, and then there's 2 screws in this panel. You gotta take off here. Don't want to lose these. I'll set them in my tray. I say just pull it out. The housing. Just lay it over. I don't know how you're gonna lay it over. Really not that much room to lay it over. There's some electrical stuff in there. No, it's just grease from the factory. Alright. Bring you guys back again. Alright, well, I just removed the whole blinker mechanism because I can't lay over that all the way to the thing like it said to do. So we're going to see if we can get it out this way. This would be a window wire and the air inlet for the HVAC thing. We're all learning here, people. We're all learning here. When you look online, everything doesn't look as easy as you think it is going to be. Alright, there's that little one. There's the inlet tube for the HVAC. And figure out this thing. a little tricky. Let's see how it is. There we go. Side clip. Not always easy to get to. Looking for a way to get to it. Unless I can just shoot. It should come out. Yeah. Okay, now who's this off? Let's see if I can get I don't know. Let's see. Leave my this screwdriver. Found it. Someone's being a pain. There we go. We got it now. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Maybe. That's a lot of work just to get this. My Tigger went like this. Damn steering wheel. Take off the steering wheel too? Take off the damn steering wheel. Right, let's see if we go this way. I got a harness in the way. That's how it is. That harness in the way. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. No, not getting nowhere. go. Finally. Oh. Yep, it's not as easy as you think it is. Let me shut this door. It's cold outside. Alright, I'm going to recondition the plate here too. While I'm in here, I'm going to do a little wipe down of cleaning. I don't know how long this has been out. I was wondering why my back glass my back trunk mechanism wasn't working. What's that plugged in? Oh, the one that's not. What? Sorry, that guy was just running. I'll bring you guys back. Alright, well, my trunk mechanism works. I don't know why it was unplugged. It's either plug. Go this way. Right here. Right there. Anyway, let's get this loose. Like this. 4 screws. Might need my little screwdriver, but this might be alright. Oh, I can't believe I had to do all that just to unplug that one, but oh well. It's what you learn about owning JDM cars. Let's set these here. This one would be as boring if I put some music to it, so we'll do that. Right. Get my editing done. I'm going to warm up the RX-8 in a minute because my wife has to go to work. We want to do this for 4 days. Might be some freaking light in here. Going to do some under dash lighting also. Soon as we can do this in the car. I really want to clean that glass up. So, really want to clean that glass up. We got 3 prongs. So just plug them. Should be on. I'm just trying to see how to plug it. Screwdriver. It should be fine to get home. Let's try this over. So let's slide it out. That's kind of neat. It's got a safety. It's got a safety lock in it. And you pop it up. guess that's some kind of anti-theft thing or something. These have never been out. 160,000 on this car. It's just that's just breaking it in. Alright, now I got those out. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and polish this up and get back in. I might do something with the inside of this. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, bring you guys back. Alright, I got my cluster all shiny. You see it? Put a little mother's wax on there, a little cleaner wax, and cleaned up the inside of the bottom part there where stuff falls in it, and I got it really good. So I got the 2 bulbs in, which I believe the earlier models took 3 or 4 bulbs. This one only takes 2, so I have extra. Anyway, we're gonna get it plugged in, and we're gonna give it a good wipe down again. Get my fingerprints off of it, and plug it in and see if we done it right. Scratch it. Yeah, so I won't scratch it. Let's see. Now we're gonna go. Oops. This one's like way over here. Keys. Keys. I have my module. Let's plug in my module. There need lights. This thing's nasty. I guess it's like that grease stuff. Figure out how to put this back in the hole. That should go right out there. No, maybe I'll reverse them. Alright, got it all back in. So I'm gonna put it all back together. Got it cleaned up. Put this big piece back on, and this bottom cover back on. Try to clean up some of these parts here because they're a little dirty. Got some more installs coming in the mail, so after Christmas. Alright, try to get this guy in. I don't know if I'm able to get it in with this here. Let's see if it'll go in with that in there. If not, I'll just have to. Let me turn my key off. Let me see if it'll go in. It's out. All disconnected. Maybe. I wish I had a tilt steering wheel. Looks like I'll have to disconnect. An easier way to get this back in there. Look at this. Gift. Just gotta look at all we have. Find my piping from a air thing, cabin pressure thing. I don't know what you call it. Put that in, and then you get this little sensor. Alright guys, well I got it all back in. Got them all shining. That one's a little brighter than the other, but I thought it'd be a little brighter than that, but yeah, it works pretty good. See, is that one working pretty good? Yeah, bright. Not much any change. It's a little better at nighttime though. Alright, that's probably it. All buttoned up and ready to go. Gotta get some gas. Go traveling for holidays next couple of days, so. Alright guys, y'all be cool, like and subscribe. Check out later. Have a Merry Christmas.